Hey guys, I'm back with another one. This time I'm going to have the ultimate project today. It's going to be a shotgun this time, and it's going to be better than ever. So look right here. This is my shotgun. I'm going to put the shell in there. It ain't finished yet, but it's just a little spoiler. It goes in the shell. Then when you pull it down, it comes out. Let me give you a reference. I'm here. It's on the camera hold stand. Hold on, let me turn it around. Alright, this is me right here. My little shotgun shell. It goes in this little holder thing right here. It's gonna hit right there. Then it's gonna go in right here. It goes in. Then once it's ready to get shot in, and when it's empty, the shell comes out. Like happening again. Like that, you know. So, it's gonna be a video about it when I'm finished. Hope you have a good day. Hope this made your day, and that's it. I ain't finished yet, so I'm probably gonna finish it.